Home Remedies presents Who Wants Thinner and Shorter Body Hair? Unfortunately, there is no quick and easy answer to permanent hair removal. Every person's body is different and your hair follicles will respond differently to various treatments. While they don't have a ton of scientific backing, natural remedies are usually a safe hair removal option that you can consider and try right from the home. In today's remedy, we will use chickpea flour to remove the hair. You might be wondering how in the world chickpea flour can help in getting rid of facial body hair. Chickpea flour is a well-known natural ingredient that is super effective to remove hair from the skin permanently. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Here are the few ways. Take 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon rose water and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it. Mix all the ingredients well to make a smooth paste. How to apply? Just shave your hair as usual, then apply the mask for about 15 minutes in the shower. Chickpea flour dries up on skin very fast. Once the hair removal mask is completely dry, use your fingers or a washcloth to rub the mask off away from the direction of the hair growth. It is a perfect exfoliating agent which will help remove off tiny facial hairs. You might experience thinner, weaker and shorter body hair as opposed to thick body hair from shaving. Keep in mind that it is very slow process but totally worth it from the results. For some people, the body hair even stop growing eventually. There's nothing to lose using this mask for just 10 to 15 minutes every time you remove your body hair. Initially, apply this pack once every alternate day. Once there is a reduction in hair growth, you may use it once every 7 to 10 days. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.